having in their hearts. Not
Yeah, but
looking
we
at the
are
book.
humans. We are all humans. We can forget something, and
So
we can interpret something in another way.
All right. Why don't we see today people in China, they forget and write it another Quran, so they have in their hearts another Quran. And the people of India, they forget something and they have in their hearts another Quran. Why we all have to read the same Quran? Why?
I don't know. Sorry,
because it's the right one. And
because something in the book, because the essential things. I think because the essential things in this is maybe the same, yeah. So the things, because you don't have to go without trust to your members or something like that. This is the same in every languages. The ground things.
I don't understand.
The ground things are the same.
I don't understand. Say it again.
You don't understand. I think they have different books. They read different books, but the inner side. So the what is the kern? The kern, the inside of, is basically the same like the others, but outside it's a bit another way. It's a bit different.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
No.
Now, how it's not this is written like the original, yeah. So the basics is written like original, but the other points not.
So if you have the basic, why do we need another thing? The most important thing is the basic. So the Quran is the basic. The Quran.
You have
it contains.
but
it contains
written down.
It contains 30 chapters. We have 30 chapters in the Quran.
Yeah.
So every chapter, I myself memorized it. So if I go to China and go to the mosque, and they told me be a leader for us to pray together, and I prayed them, and I lead them the prayer. So I read the Quran. If I do a little mistake, the one after me, the one after me will correct me. Hey bro, you are reading the Quran mistakenly. You made a mistake. It's not like that. It's like that. Do you know why? Because we all have the Quran in our hearts.
But
Nobody
not all
can
have.
Not
I
all.
hear from
Not
some
all.
people, really.
Not all. Yeah, you're right. Not all. But
it's like the Bible. It's the same. You have the Bible. You have the evangelic, and you have the.
They don't memorize the Bible, and they change every time. They change.
Yeah.
But the Quran is never been changed. Never, because we were memorizing it. That's why. So try. I'm not going to force you.
No, it's okay. Me too.
Please.
You can think what you want, what you will.
Yeah, please try to read the Quran before you hate it.
Sorry. No, I don't hate about the Quran. So I only don't think about it. So it's not. I'm not a man who can believe in any god. So I'm a scientist's man. Yeah, I'm a man who built all with my fingers. I make all things by my own.
Do you know some scientists? They don't believe the evaluation.
Yeah. But I give only this one thing. You can look to the animals outside, and you see only one animal who is like humans. There's only one, and you can see it in every other species. At fishes, at snakes, at axes.
Bro.
You see that this is one. That is one creature,
Bro.
And we humans and apes, we are in one soup, maybe. Yeah, we are one. We are nearly.
Bro. In the Quran, God tells us, لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. We created the mankind, the human being, the best of the ways. The best. So
I think the humans are the best.
Yeah. The animals have no brain, The animals, the monkey,
They have brains.
and these things, they have brains, but not like human beings.
But look, the
like,
apes.
Not like human beings. They don't have
But
honor.
apes look.
I have honor. They don't have honor.
You do what is honor?
Honor. Honor.
Ehre? Ja, but what
genau.
is this?
Ehre. Yes.
Aber was ist das? Nobody needs.
Of course.
For what? For what you need honor? For what? Give me an example.
Okay. Now, if I fly from Germany to America,
Yeah.
and I know there is Somali people like me which live there, it's honor for me that I meet them, that they welcome me, get me to their homes, eat dinner with them, live with them. So
that is a honor, but that is not a honor.
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah, but honor is something you don't need. So
of course. You know why I need honor is I don't bow down for Satan, or I don't bow down or put my head down for human being.
You don't make any sense. What? Can you stop death or cancer? You don't makes any sense, my guy. I can't stop death or cancer. I think it's one from you.
He's talking to you.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna talk to him with Somali, right? Sorry. Asxaabta, insha Allah, ninkan dadka u tagaya. Ha u qorina wax ma garanaysaa. You need somebody who is talking to you.
Why they have to be dishonored? It makes no sense, yeah? So I'm correcting to other people, the other people are correcting to me. That's nothing to do with honor.
It's honor for me to live with my girlfriend and not with my mother.